When our sprinkler system failed, there was water everywhere. I had heard the alarm go off, but we did not know what was the cause. I immediately went downstairs. It was from water coming out of the walls. In 15 minutes, in less than 15 minutes, more than $125,000 worth of damage was done. I immediately called church insurance the next day. They had someone on site, and the one thing that I loved was a phrase given to me by one of your site inspectors. He said, "My job is to make this place the way it was before this happened." And that is what church insurance has done over and over again to make this place whole. They have become partners in a mission. They have become true friends. I don't use the term lightly to say that I love the people that I have worked with. Zion would not be the facility it is today without the help of church insurance. The definition that I've heard of faith, is trust without reservation. And I know that when it comes to my relationship with church insurance, I have trust in them without reservation. And I think that is the greatest gift that church insurance gives. I don't think the importance is measured in immediacy, as opposed to knowing that the support that is needed will be there in times of crisis. And I think that is the greatest gift that church insurance gives, not only to Zion, but to the Episcopal Church.